Hi everyone, we're getting ready for the Super Bowl around here, and I guess you can tell which team I'm supporting. So I'm starting to think about Super Bowl snacks. We're gonna make a dip today that I'm gonna serve with some tortilla chips and some potato chips. It's gonna be a veggie dip. We're gonna start with Philadelphia cream cheese, of course, because go Eagles. And come on, let me show you how we're gonna make it. Here are the vegetables and herbs we're going to add to our dip. We have some red bell pepper, some cucumber, we're gonna put in a squeeze of lemon juice, grated carrot, a tip of a chili pepper diced up really fine, a scallion, some celery, some parsley, some thyme, and some grated garlic. We're going to start by putting our cream cheese and our sour cream into the food processor, and then we're going to add all of our herbs. This is going to be so easy. I left the cream cheese out for a couple of hours to get soft. As you can see, it makes a generous amount. If you'd like to make this more Mediterranean diet friendly, you can replace the sour cream with Greek yogurt, or you can replace the cream cheese with Greek yogurt. So, let's have a taste. Yum. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed making this dip on Super Bowl Sunday, and don't forget to root for the Eagles. Go Birds! Fly, Eagles, fly, on the road to victory.